Friends, today in this class we will discuss the question answers of the poem. We will especially discuss the short question answers of the poem. Okay, the first question for us: what do we do when in distress? Distress means problem. When we are in problem, what we do? हम क्या करते हैं जब हम प्रॉब्लम में होते हैं? The answer is whenever we are in distress, whenever we are in trouble, whenever we are in problem, we always remember God for guidance, for motivation, for inspiration and for courage. We think that the God will definitely guide us for right decision, for right path. That's why we remember God in distress. This is the answer for question number 1. Now we are moving to the second question. What are mercy, pity, peace and love? Mercy, pity, peace and love. These all are virtues. These all are good qualities. These virtues move us, lead us towards the path of success, towards the path of positivity, towards the path of guidance, inspiration and motivation. And these virtues make our life divine life. This is the answer for the second question. Now we are moving to the third question. What is the third question for us? How is God our Father? In this poem, God has been compared to our Father. A father always takes care of his children. Just like that, the Almighty God always takes care of the human beings, always guide them, always inspires them, always motivates them. And Almighty God is the supreme source of motivation, inspiration, guidance. Okay, this is the answer number 3. Now we are moving to the fourth answer. Why should all love the human form? What is the meaning of that? Why should all love the human form? The person who has all the divine qualities like mercy, pity, love and peace, he can be compared to God, and we all should love and like such persons because they are divine qualities and they can be compared to God because they are always ready for doing something for the welfare of mankind. This is the answer number 4. Now we are moving to the last question. And peace the human dress. How has peace been compared to human dress? What is the role of human dress? The human dress makes us civilized, decent and beautiful, handsome, whatever. Just like that, the great virtue, love, peace makes us beautiful, civilized and decent in the real life. It changes our life completely. This is the answer number 5. I hope that all of you have got my point. That's all for today. Have a nice day.